Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the 6PA CK3200 lumens LED flush mount ceiling light. A super slim 12-inch marvel that brings 5000K daylight brilliance to any room. Be it your bedroom, living room, dining room, garage, or office. This energy-efficient LED light, equipped with 104 high-quality 2835 SMD chips, delivers an impressive 3200 lumens while consuming just 28 watts, equivalent to a traditional 280-watt bulb, offering nearly 90% energy savings and a lifespan of 25,000 hours. Its ultra-slim design, at just 0.87 inches thick, makes it ideal for low ceilings and ensures easy flush or surface mounting on any ceiling area, fitting most junction boxes with ease. Crafted from high-quality fire-resistant plastic, this ceiling light not only illuminates your space but also ensures safety by preventing electric shock, leakage, and other potential risks. Installation is a breeze with just 2 simple steps, and all necessary accessories are included, making it perfect for anyone to set up in minutes. With advanced eye protection technology, this light provides uniform, flicker-free illumination that is gentle on the eyes, making it comfortable for reading, working, or watching TV without the harshness of traditional fluorescent lights. Ideal for various settings, this reliable LED ceiling light is backed by our responsive customer service, ready to assist you within 24 hours for any inquiries. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.